Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Today I want to show you an amazing 3-in-1 window vacuum cleaner, and it is with vacuum, mopping and sweeping. So here it is. It is with 2 water tanks, and one is for the cleaning water and another one is for the dirty waters. And here we can use the measuring cup to put some water inside and then fix this so we can make spray, and then we can make the cleaning work without any drips and streak free, because here we have very soft rubber blade, and here we have the microfiber cloth. You can even put it in your washing machine. And after using, do not forget to throw away the dirty water. Okay, let's see the operation video. This window vacuum cleaner is made by high quality plastic. Of course, you can also do your private label and your desired color. Thank you so much for your kind attention. And if you want to have samples or quotation, just contact with us. Thank you so much.